A clean, accurate cut starts long before the blade touches the wood. The right stand can make a miter saw easier to set up, steadier to work with, and simpler to move from one job to the next. In this video, I'm going over the best miter saw stands. They come in different price ranges, and each pick may suit a different type of work, so stay with me to see which one fits your needs best. You'll find links to every product in the description. You can like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave any questions in the comments. Let's take a look at each pick. Number 6. Wen MSA 200. At number 6, this stand gives budget shoppers a practical setup for home projects and smaller job sites. It supports up to 350 pounds, raising the saw 31 inches off the ground, so you get a comfortable working height without paying for a premium model. The sliding arms adjust from 36 to 80 inches wide and can support boards up to 8 feet long. 2 height-adjustable rollers help guide longer material, and each one can act as a work stop for repeat cuts. I think the quick-release brackets are one of its strongest points, letting you attach or remove the saw in about 2 seconds. The frame folds flat, which makes transport and storage much easier between jobs. Its powder-coated steel build helps resist corrosion and surface marks. Compatibility is broad, yet you should check the mounting pattern before buying. The front-to-back mounting holes need to sit less than 15 inches apart on the center line. Some buyers report a tight fit, and feedback on long-term durability is mixed, with plastic knob inserts named as a weak spot. Still, easy assembly, steady support, useful extensions, and a 2-year warranty make this a strong budget pick for do-it-yourself work. Number 5. Bora PM 4000. For number 5, this option brings contractor-style strength to a budget-friendly price range. Its 500-pound capacity and 35-inch work height make it a practical choice for home shops, remodels, and lighter job site work. The support arms stretch from 45 to 114 inches, giving you room for boards up to 10 feet long. 2 universal quick-attach mounts work with miter saws and chop saws up to 12 inches, including sliding models. I'd point to the folding setup as a big reason to consider it. The snap pin legs collapse fast, and the 30-pound frame folds down to a compact size for transport or garage storage. Setup takes around 10 minutes, and the quick-release levers make saw removal simple. There are a few trade-offs. The extension arms may sag at full reach with heavier boards, and some saws with unusual mounting patterns may need different bolts or an offset kit. A few buyers have mentioned stripped threads on the tightening knobs after heavy use. For better mobility, a wheel kit is sold separately. With strong capacity, wide material support, easy folding, and flexible tool mounts, this pick makes sense for do-it-yourself users and contractors who need value without a bulky setup. Number 4. Wen MSA 330. Taking the 4th spot, this rolling stand brings more shop-friendly features than the 2 earlier budget picks. Its lower mid-range price gets you a 330-pound capacity, onboard outlets, and wheels built for movement. The support arms reach from 32 to 79 inches and can hold boards up to 10.5 feet long. 2 adjustable rollers guide the material and double as work stops for repeat cuts. I'd call the 3 built-in 120-volt outlets a useful touch since they provide up to 15 amps total and let you connect the saw and accessories from one place. The steel frame raises the saw 33 inches off the ground, and quick-release brackets help speed up mounting or removal. 2 8-inch never-flat wheels make the 38-pound frame easier to roll. Then the stand folds down for storage. The biggest concern is how it rests after folding. Several buyers say it leans forward with the saw attached and cannot safely stand upright without support. Some report movement at the round mounting tubes during transport, plus plastic knobs that may break. Still, for trim work, home projects, and longer boards, the mix of reach, outlets, and rolling mobility gives this pick a reason to rank above simpler stands. Number 3. Workess WKMS 029E2. Moving into the top 3, this stand focuses on flexible mounting and easier transport between work areas. It lands in the mid-range price group, offering a 330-pound limit, rubber wheels, and extra mounting support for less common saw bases. The arms stretch from about 46 to nearly 79 inches, and the 9.5-inch steel rollers help carry pieces longer than 2 meters. Their height adjusts from roughly 35 to 39 inches, letting you line up material with the saw bed. What stands out to me is the extra cross support, which works with certain 3-hole triangular and 4-hole trapezoid mounting patterns. 2 quick-release brackets offer width and depth adjustment, making the setup compatible with many popular saw brands. Folding legs save storage space, and the 8-inch wheels help move the 45-pound frame around a garage or job site. One drawback is vertical storage with the saw attached. The stand can tip, so it needs added support rather than being left upright. Some buyers mention a narrow base, loose hardware, rollers coming off, or knobs that do not thread cleanly. For shoppers who value broad mounting options and wheeled transport, this pick offers useful flexibility, yet careful setup is needed. Number 2. DeWalt DWX724. Number 2 earns its place through a rare mix of strength, low weight, and compact storage. The premium price is higher than most picks here, yet the aluminum frame supports up to 500 pounds and weighs just under 30 pounds. A 40-inch beam extends to hold material up to 10 feet long, giving you plenty of room for trim, boards, and wider cuts. 2 movable work supports can act as stops on either side, which helps with repeated cuts and changing board lengths. I'd point out the quick lock leg levers, since they make setup and breakdown fast without adding much bulk. The universal mounting brackets work with saws from many brands, and their slotted design gives you room to adjust the position. Non-marring feet help protect the surface beneath the mounted tool. Portability is the main reason this option stands apart. It folds to about 44 inches wide and 8 inches high, so it can tuck into a truck bed or workshop corner. The trade-off is simple. There are no wheels, and some users may prefer a heavier frame for extra planted weight. Still, the high capacity, easy carry, firm platform, and compact shape make it a smart choice for frequent transport and tight storage. Number 1. DeWalt DWX726. At the top of the list, this rolling stand suits anyone who moves a saw often, but still wants a steady work area. It carries a premium price, and that extra cost pays for large wheels, a steel frame, and a 3-position lift system. The gas-assisted mechanism lets you raise or lower the setup, then fold it for transport or upright storage. Wide rubber wheels turn the frame into a dolly, making it easier to cross a garage or job site with the saw attached. Adjustable mounting rails accept nearly any miter saw, and the stand can hold up to 300 pounds. Its side supports reach out to handle material up to 8 feet long. I see its mix of mobility and quick setup as the main reason it takes the top spot. There are 2 drawbacks to know about. Some buyers say the lift mechanism can stick or feel hard to move, and built-in stop blocks are not included for repeat cuts. You can clamp on a wood block as a simple workaround. The frame takes about 20 minutes to assemble. For frequent job site moves, garage storage, and fast height changes, this is the most complete choice in the lineup. That finishes my guide to the best miter saw stands. For more buying guides like this, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.